Folks, in today's video, we're going to talk about three payment processors, digital payment processors that are dominating Wall Street right now, and according to major analysts, should continue dominating Wall Street for the next several quarters. So let's get into it right now. This is really good stuff. One of the biggest factors that I look at is analysts' upgrades, downgrades, spotlights, and it depends on the analyst. There are certain analysts that go with specific sectors. Now, one of the analysts that has a really good pulse on the payment processors happens to be Truist. And Truist has been talking a lot about digital payment processors and their future, specifically the three that I'm going to talk about today. Now, in a broad sense, here's what they say. The payment industry has entered a period of accelerated change, favoring share gains for digital financial technology. Truist says setting up outperformance for years and a potential of, and I'm quoting them, decade of digital dominance. I like that. Decade of digital dominance with payment processors. That sounds good. Now here's what they continue to say. While 2019's mega mergers probably laid the groundwork for the emergence of smaller specialized payment and point-of-sale software vendors, we submit pandemic accelerated the shift to what we call omni-channel or omni-channel 2.0. Adding survey results are backing it up. At a high level, here's what they expect. They expect hundreds of billions to shift from a concentrated group of legacy processors to emerging digital competitors, and we're going to talk about them right now. They continue. The value transfer will be driven by demand for powerful, affordable, and flexible point-of-sale software characterized by rapid merchant onboarding, self-service functionality, and next-generation omni-channel capabilities. Sounds a lot like PayPal and Square, if you ask me. And that trend will accelerate as the failures of the COVID-19 pandemic are replaced by new small-medium-sized businesses. These businesses will call for powerful, affordable software to run their businesses, and that software is only in the cloud and can only get more valuable by integrating payments. So here's the digital native companies that they're favoring right now, and they gave us specific stocks that they like. So the first one is Lightspeed. What is Lightspeed? And I've talked about Lightspeed. It powers complex, small, medium-sized businesses with cloud-based omni-channel commerce. Isn't it exactly what I just said here? I mean, literally. It's a Canadian company. A lot of payment processors are in Canada. Matter of fact, here at Wealth Press, we've used some Canadian payment processors. I guess it doesn't make much of a difference. North America, South America, or Central America. The bottom line is we've used some Central and South American processors too. But I think Canada, the fact that they're in Canada is good. There's a lot of Canadian payment processors that are making headways right now. Just like Canadian pot stocks. 1 year return, 281% for a financial software company. And if you look at the chart of this stock, it's trending sideways. It's been congesting. It made an all-time high a few months back, February 22nd, along with a lot of financial tech stocks. It's been moving sideways, but for the most part, it has had a pretty good run above the 50-day moving average. And remember what I say, the longer something stays above the 50-day moving average, the better the odds it's going to start running. And the only place this stock is going to run is higher. Because I think if it would have sold off, it would have already happened around here. And it didn't even go all the way to the 200-day moving average, and now it's looking higher. Also, the stock has a pretty small market cap of $6.5 billion. So there's a lot of upside potential. Next stock, and again, you don't have to find these stocks. They gave us their favorites, and I'm just giving you the ones that are looking really good from a momentum perspective. Shift4 Payments provides integrated payments processing and technology solutions. Again, financial transaction. I like financial companies that are not related to small savings and loan or even large savings and loan type banks, and these are it. Almost 200% return. And if you look at the chart of this stock, you will see that Shift4 Payments is very close to new highs. It's actually technically looking better than Lightspeed. So here's the all-time high, and it's just moving sideways. And I think it'll continue moving sideways, and then it will pop again. Remember, horizontal, vertical, horizontal, vertical. Those are the only two waves that I've been able to find in almost 30 years of trading. All this Gann, Elliott wave stuff, forget about it, folks. So I like Shift4 Payments. I like Lightspeed. Ticker symbol 4, FOUR, like the number 4. And here it's LSPD, last global payment processors. 1 year return, 32%. Market cap, it's a big company. So if you're looking for outsized gains, a little more risk, Lightspeed and Shift4 Payments are the way to go. If you're looking for a more established company, less volatility, but less potential upside growth, then this company may be it. Global Payment is a leader in electronic transactions. Latin America, Canada, Europe, United States, they offer comprehensive line of processing. If you want to process payments, this is the place to go. And again, the stock is looking really, really good. It has a dividend, which means it's cash. It's got plenty of cash. So again, it just depends on how risk adverse you want to be. This is a large cap. These are small stocks. So again, it's coming to the 50-day line, made a swing high. All these stocks are looking good. Again, GPN, 4, and Lightspeed. And according to a major analyst, these are the stocks that you want in this fast-growing industry. Truist does their analysis, and they can see this industry heating up. Anything relating to the cloud, well, not anything, but most things relating to the cloud should continue heating up in double or potentially triple digits for the next 3-4 years. And COVID just pushed us further into that direction. I hope that helps, and I hope this gives you a good understanding of what the decade of digital dominance should look like with these 3 payment processors. Talk to you guys soon. Have a great day. Bye.